Deadline to file taxes is literally, friend, right around the corner. You have until midnight tomorrow to get them done. You had a few extra days this year to file, but I know some of us haven't started, right? Might need a little boosting, some tips to get moving along. I'm joined by author and financial expert and yellow maven. Look at us matching today. It's a Monday sunshine kind of thing. Sister. You did. So look, we're not casting judgment on anybody because life happens, right? Sometimes it's not the plan, but you find yourself in the position that you are panicking because the deadline's tomorrow at midnight. What's the first thing somebody should do if they realize, oh no, I'm in that pinch right now?
It happens. Yeah, happy tax day eve. And the first thing you should do is really make sure there are no errors. With the proliferation of electronic filing, of course, there's not a lot of math errors. But you could forget a zero or whatever, so just double, triple check, because if you do, that could flag an audit. Also, I get you know your name, but double check that, and your routing number if you're doing direct deposit. There's really no easy way if you're doing electronic filing to get to the right place if you mess up that routing number or the account number. And the number one thing, Michaela, one thing people forget, the extension to file, which is super cool, right, because you get 6 months extra. October 16th if you file the 4868 form, but it is an extension to file. It is not an extension to pay. And if you don't pay, you get a ton of interest, 4% a year, sometimes a penalty if you can't prove legit reasons for why you did that of 0.5% a month. So that is bad news bears. Remember,
let me ask you, right, it is all about, and that is something that you need to be aware of. Quickly, I know the president has proposed some tax changes, consolidating tax brackets, simplifying the tax code. What are you anticipating? Do you think that's going to overall change us and taxpayers in the future?
Yeah, so there's going to be 12, 25, and 33% for the highest earners. The other big thing you should remember is that there's going to be a boost in the standard deduction. So it's going to go from about $6,000 for single filers to about $15,000. And then if you're filing as a married couple, then it's going to go from about $12,000 to $30,000. And then there's no personal exemption. And then no estate tax. So a lot of folks agree with the general idea that you don't want double taxation. But then others say, you know, it's fair to balance out the system with the wealthy.
Yeah, well, it's a good heads up. But right now, let's focus on the future. Midnight tomorrow. Come on, people, you can do it.
Yeah.
Nicole, thanks so much. Great to talk to you on this Monday.
Same.